Since ancient times, music has been given a special place in the Indian society, and history is enriched with numerous musicians who were able to create different effects in seasons, daytimes through ragas. And one such musician was the legendary Tansen. So today I'm going to tell a story about the famous singer Tansen. And this is a very famous story of Tansen and the Deepak Raga. Tansen was a composer of several new ragas. He was born in Gwalior and he spent most of his adult life in the court of Raja Ramchandra Singh, the king of Rewa. And the Emperor Akbar was so impressed by Tansen's singing that he insisted Tansen to join his court. So let us begin the story. King Ramchandra of Rewa sent Tansen as a royal gift to Emperor Akbar. Soon Akbar was so impressed by Tansen's music that he bestowed on him the highest honor of the land, an inclusion in his Navratnas or 9 jewels, the 9 most outstanding talents of the royal court. So King Ramchandra of Rewa, he sent Tansen as Akbar insisted to send him as a royal gift. And soon Akbar was so impressed by Tansen's singing that he bestowed means he gave Tansen a special status as a mark of honor. And what was that? It was an inclusion in his Navratnas or 9 jewels. You know, this Akbar had 9 gems on the Navratna, which he was very famous for. Navratna translates in English as 9 gems. So these 9 gems were 9 extraordinary people in his court. And one of them was Birbal, who is famous among adults as well as kids. Do you know Birbal? Yeah. So Akbar was an illiterate ruler, but he respected and possessed great passion for art and intellect. So these 9 gems were the true geniuses in his court, as Akbar had love for learning new things. It is, besides performing in the court, Tansen would often sing for the emperor alone. At night he sang the ragas that would soothe the emperor and help him fall asleep. And in the morning, Tansen sang special ragas that would gently awaken the emperor. So Tansen not only he sang in the court or performed in the court, but he would often sing for emperor alone. So emperor, he would call him at any time at night when he wanted to take a sound sleep. So Tansen would sing any rag for that, so that it would soothe the emperor. Soothe means give relief to emperor and help him fall asleep, a sound sleep. And in the morning again, Tansen would sing special ragas that would gently awaken the emperor. It is said that when Tansen sang, birds and animals would often gather to hear him. So he sang so beautifully that not the humans, even birds and animals would also gather there to hear him. One evening, Emperor Akbar decided to visit Tansen. When the emperor arrived, Tansen was singing and playing the Tanpura. The emperor sat quietly in the veranda and listened to him. So pleased was the emperor with Tansen's music that he took off one of his necklaces and gifted it to Tansen. Tansen's fame spread far and wide. People said that he was the greatest singer to have been born in 1,000 years. Some courtiers became very jealous of Tansen's fame and began to plot his downfall. They suggested to the emperor that he command Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag. So, Akbar's fascination for Tansen's singing went to such an extent that at any time of the day or night, Akbar would call upon him to sing or would just walk into Tansen's house to hear his riyaz. He also gave him many precious gifts. Riyaz means practice. These musicians, they do riyaz, practice of singing or playing their instruments. So this when some of the courtiers means the people who attend the court of a king as a companion or as an advisor. So when they saw this Akbar's fascination towards dancing, singing, and people also they were praising Tansen, so it made some of the courtiers jealous, and out of sheer jealousy of for Tansen, with the help of a wicked man called Shaukat Mia, they planned to they planned for Tansen's downfall. Now downfall means when somebody loses his position or his popularity or image. So what was the plan? They approached to emperor and suggested him to command Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag. They all knew that if Tansen would sing Deepak Rag, he would burn into ashes. Most difficult ragas to sing. It was said that a perfect rendition of this raga gave rise to so much heat that not only would lamps light up on their own, but also the singer's body would burn to ashes. So now this Deepak Rag was the most difficult rag to sing. And what was said? It was said that if somebody sings it perfectly, rendition means when a particular way of performing a song, when you sing it perfectly in a particular way, what happens? This raga, singing of this raga gives rise to so much heat that lamps would light up, and it would light up their own, and also singer's body would burn to ashes. So now when Akbar asked Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag, Tansen pleaded, "Sir, the Deepak Rag can set the singer on fire." So now he approached to Emperor Akbar and he said that, "Sir, Deepak Rag would set the singer on fire." Means he went to say that this Tansen could also be burnt into ashes. But the emperor would not listen. "If you are the greatest singer in the land, you must accept this challenge," insisted Emperor Akbar. Tansen knew that singing the Deepak Raga was dangerous. But he also knew that if the Megh Raga, which brings rain, could be sung at the same time, he would be saved from the fury of fire. So now Tansen was knowing about this, that if somebody sings Megh Raga at the same time, then he would be saved from the fury. Fury means the anger of the fire. But how can I sing both the ragas at the same time? Thought Tansen worriedly to himself as he roamed in the garden of his house. Suddenly he had an idea. Maybe Rupa, a devoted disciple of Swami Haridas, could sing with him. So now Tansen, when he was, roaming in the garden, he just had an idea that Rupa, Rupa was also a disciple of Swami Haridas. These Tansen and Rupa both were the disciple of Swami Haridas. They learnt music from their Guru Haridas. And disciple means pupil, or we can say student who takes knowledge from Guru. So he thought that Rupa can sing. With the permission of Haridas, Rupa agreed to sing with Tansen. Rupa was a very good musician. Tansen used the 15 days of preparation time granted by Akbar to train her. At the end of the 2 weeks, Rupa had perfected her rendition of the Megh Raga. So now, with permission of Guru Haridas, Rupa agreed to sing with Tansen. And Rupa was also very good, she was a very good musician. And Tansen used those 15 days which he took from Akbar for preparation to train. So he used those 15 days to train Rupa. And at the end of the 2 weeks, Rupa had perfected her rendition. Means now Rupa became a trained singer of the Megh Raga. On the day of the performance, the court was packed with courtiers and royal guests. People had come from far and wide to hear Tansen sing the most difficult of all the ragas. So now so many people, they came to the court to see the performance because it was the most difficult of all the ragas, and everyone knew that while singing this Deepak Raga, the singer would burn. Until unlit lamps were placed on the walls, Tansen waited with his tanpura in hand, and as soon as the emperor entered and sat on the throne, the great musician began the alap, the first section of a raga. As Tansen sang on, the air gradually became warm. So now on the day of performance, the court was packed with courtiers and royal guests, and the lamps, unlit lamps were placed on the walls. And Tansen was also waiting with his tanpura in his hand, and soon the emperor entered, sat on the throne, and the great musician began the alap. Alap is the first section of any raga. And as Tansen sang on, the air became warmer. Now the audience started to perspire. Leaves and flowers in the garden dried and fell to the ground. Water in the fountains began to boil, and the birds flew away to escape the sudden warmth. The lamps lit up. The flames appeared in the air. People fled from the court in terror. As the emperor listened in awe, a rose that he often held in his hand drooped and died. So the audience started perspire. Perspire means sweating. They started to sweat. And all the leaves and flowers in the garden dried up due to heat. They fell down to the ground. Water in the fountains began to boil. Birds flew away due to the sudden warmth. And the lamps lit up. Flames appeared in the air, and people fled. Fled means moved away. They ran away from the court in terror. And Tansen's body was now hot and feverish. But absorbed in the Deepak Raga, he continued to sing enthusiastically. Seeing Tansen in this state, Rupa became anxious and was unable to start singing. Then slowly, although faltering at first, she began singing the Megh Rag. So now, while singing Deepak Raga, Tansen's body was hot and feverish. He was so engrossed. Absorbed means he was so engrossed in the Deepak Rag. He continued to sing continuously, and he was feeling so warm, so heat in his body. And Rupa started singing the Megh Raga. When she saw this, first she became anxious and she was unable to start singing. But slowly, gradually, although faltering means faltering, lacking in confidence means she lost her confidence. But then she began singing the Megh Rag. As her voice grew stronger and soared, the sky became dark with clouds. Soon it started to rain heavily. Many among the audience rushed out to be cooled by the rain. The temperature fell, and people showered praises on Tansen's ingenuity. So, now as Rupa started singing in a stronger and loud voice, soared means very loudly, or you can say in a high volume. The sky became dark with clouds, means now the sky was overcast by the clouds. And soon it started rain heavily. It started raining. Now she was singing Megh Rag, and Megh means clouds. So it started raining due to the Megh Rag, and many of the audience rushed out to be cooled by the rain. Now the audience or the people, they were feeling so hot due to that Deepak Rag. So now they went out to be cooled by the rain. The temperature fell, and people showered praises on Tansen's ingenuity. And now the people, they showered praises means they started praising for what? Tansen's ingenuity. Ingenuity means the ability to solve problems cleverly. They praised Tansen that how cleverly he saved himself. So, although the emperor was very pleased, he was shocked to realize that he had almost lost his greatest musician to the fire generated by the singer's own music. For the singer himself, however, the internal fire lit by the Deepak Rag did not cool easily. Tansen fell ill, and it was 2 months before he could return to the court. So now everything was okay. Now Tansen also saved himself, but the emperor was very shocked to discover how close he came to losing one of his 9 gems. Because when a singer sings Deepak Rag, the internal fire means which take place inside the body. So that fire lit due to singing of Deepak Rag does not cool easily. So it happened as Tansen sang Deepak Rag. So the fire lit by that rag did not cool easily and Tansen fell ill. But when Tansen was out of danger after 2 months, the entire city was delighted and emperor was also very happy. So, did you see that how music, vibrations of music can cause changes in the atmosphere and weather? But when Tansen was out of danger after 2 months, the entire city was delighted and emperor was also very happy.